This influencer isn't real, and she can still sell your product. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create AI-powered UGC ads that look just like this. You'll learn how to generate a realistic influencer image, place a product naturally in their hands, and use lip sync to bring the entire scene to life.
Hair fall was ruining my confidence until I found Dzine hair fall shampoo.
For e-commerce brands, this workflow can save weeks of waiting, endless back and forth with influencers, and hundreds of dollars per video. Now, you might be thinking, how is this even possible? Wouldn't this require a lot of skills, advanced editing, and technical knowledge? And wouldn't it take hours, maybe even days to create something like this? But that's not true at all. What if I told you that you can create this kind of AI influencer in just 10 minutes without learning any complex skills? Yes, really. I've brought you a powerful secret AI tool where almost everything is done with just one command. No complicated editing, no advanced experience required. Just a few clicks, and within minutes, your influencer is ready. I'm talking about this powerful AI tool called Dzine AI. Dzine is an AI video creation platform that allows you to generate characters, turn images into videos, create consistent AI personalities, and add ultra-smooth lip sync, all inside one system. What makes it so powerful is that the entire workflow is built into a single platform. You don't need to jump between multiple tools. You don't need professional editing skills. Everything from character creation to animation and lip sync happens in one place. Instead of spending days learning complicated software, you can create a fully functional AI influencer in minutes using simple prompts. That's the real game changer. So I'm gonna use Dzine AI to create my own AI Instagram influencer. Then, using the same platform, I'll produce high-quality UGC ads with that influencer, all inside Dzine AI, without switching tools or using any external software. Let's dive in. First, we need to create our AI influencer model. You can directly write a prompt inside Dzine to generate your character. But if you're not sure how to write a detailed, professional prompt, you can use ChatGPT to help you. For example, I would give ChatGPT a prompt like this. I want to generate an ultra-realistic female AI influencer. She has blue eyes, brown hair, and Latina facial features. The image should look natural and realistic. Write an image generation prompt for this using the details. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a more refined and professional image prompt that includes detailed descriptions such as lighting, skin texture, facial structure, background, and realism enhancements. Once we receive that improved prompt, we simply copy it. Then we go back to Dzine AI and open the text-to-image feature. Paste the generated prompt there. But before pasting the prompt, make sure to select the image generation model. Click on the Model button. As you can see, Dzine AI offers multiple image generation models like Nano Banana, Flux, Gemini, and more. For this project, I'll choose the realistic model, Dzine V3, because it delivers the most natural and human-like results. After selecting the model, paste your prompt into the text box. Then choose the aspect ratio according to your needs. For example, vertical if you're creating Instagram or TikTok content. Leave the other settings as they are for now. Finally, click Generate. Within just a few seconds, your ultra-realistic AI influencer model will be ready. Wow, just look at the result. The model looks incredibly real and ultra-realistic. The skin texture, lighting, and facial details feel natural, not artificial. This is exactly the kind of authenticity we need for a believable AI influencer. Now that our model is ready, let's move on to the next step and start building the rest of our AI UGC workflow inside Dzine. The next step is generating the product image. If you already have a product image, that's perfect. You can simply upload it. But if you don't, you can easily generate one inside Dzine as well. For that, I've already prepared a prompt. I'll open the text-to-image feature, selecting the Nano Banana Pro model. Then paste the product prompt and generate the image. And look at that, the result is amazing. The product looks clean, professional, and ready to be used in our scene. Now we can move forward and combine it with our influencer in the next step. Once your influencer and product are ready, the next step is placing the product in their hands. There are two ways to do this. Let's start with the direct method. Simply click on Describe the desired image. A new interface will open in front of you. Now click on the Upload button and select your product image from your device. After uploading the product image, type a simple instruction like, create an image in which the girl is holding this shampoo bottle while standing in a bathroom. Before clicking Generate, make sure to select the correct model. Choose Nano Banana Pro for better composition and realism. Then set the aspect ratio to 16:9, or whatever format you need. Now click Generate. Within a few seconds, your image will be ready. Wow, look at that! The tool perfectly merged the influencer and the product into one natural-looking scene. Now, as you can see, the image might have a side camera angle, but if we want a front-facing camera view, simply click on the Chat Editor button. Then give it a prompt like, change the camera angle to front face. Click Generate again. And here's the result. Perfect. With the chat editor, you can regenerate and refine as many times as you want. You can change outfits, adjust backgrounds, modify lighting, tweak poses, and much more, all by simply giving clear instructions. That's how powerful and flexible this workflow is inside Dzine. The second method is using the Instant Storyboard feature. Scroll down and select Instant Storyboard. Once you're inside, you'll see three sections: V1, V2, and V3. In the V1 section, upload your influencer model image. In the V2 section, upload your product image. As you can see, both images will appear and be labeled as Image 1 and Image 2. Now, in the prompt box, simply type, create an image in which Image 1 is holding Image 2 in a bathroom. Then choose your desired aspect ratio and click Generate. And there you go. Look at the image quality. The composition looks clean, natural, and professionally blended. If you're not fully satisfied with the resolution, you can simply use the upscale option to enhance the quality and then download the final image to your device. That's how easily you can combine your influencer and product using Instant Storyboard inside Dzine. Now that we have the perfect image with the right pose, it's time to animate it with proper lip sync. Simply click on the lip sync button and upload your image. You'll have two options, the standard lip sync or the pro version for better clarity and smoother facial movement. Choose the one that fits your needs. The system will automatically detect the face, but if needed, you can manually adjust the face selection. Crop and reposition the frame to make sure your influencer is centered properly. For the voice, you can use Dzine's built-in voice options. They offer multiple choices. However, if you already have your own custom voice, you can upload your audio file directly, just like I'm doing. Once the audio is on the timeline, leave a small buffer at the beginning and end. This helps the lip movements start and finish naturally. Align the audio properly, trim it if necessary, and then click Generate. Within moments, your static image will transform into a fully animated talking AI influencer. And here is the result.
Hair fall was ruining my confidence until I found Dzine Hair Fall Shampoo. Stronger roots, smoother hair, and way less breakage. I can finally feel the difference.
Wow, just look at the facial expressions and the hand movements. Doesn't it look like a real advertisement? This is honestly insane. The animation feels natural, smooth, and professional. Now, you might be wondering, what if the image has two characters? Will it still be that smooth? Let's test it. First, I'll add another female character to the image using the chat editor. I'll simply give it a prompt like, add another girl in the frame wearing the same outfit. And boom, the updated image is ready. Now let's animate it. Click on the lip sync button again. This time, you'll notice that Dzine automatically detects two faces. That's exactly what we need. Next, place both audio files on the timeline according to their respective dialogue parts. Align them properly with each character. Once everything is set and synced correctly, click Generate. And here's the result.
Hair fall was ruining my confidence until I found Dzine Hair Fall Shampoo. Stronger roots, smoother hair, and way less breakage. I can finally feel the difference.
I've tried so many shampoos, but Dzine Hair Fall actually works. My hair feels stronger, healthier, and I'm seeing way less fall after every wash.
You can see how smoothly it handled both characters. Accurate lip synchronization, natural hand gestures, and realistic facial expressions. Even with two people in the frame, the movement looks balanced and professional. That's the power of Dzine's lip sync technology. And that's how you build a fully customized AI UGC ad from start to finish. As you just saw, Dzine AI handled everything inside a single platform. We didn't need subscriptions to multiple tools. We didn't need complex editing skills. And we didn't have to spend hours figuring things out. If there's any part you didn't understand, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll be happy to help. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.